Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Success Ajude. My name is Gajanan. Today we are continuing our chapter number 1, that is similarity. In similarity, firstly we will see what are the points we have already covered in a previous lectures. Now in lecture number 1 we have covered ratios of a area of a two triangles and problems on this. Now then we have covered basic proportionality theorem and a conversion of basic proportionality theorem. We have covered this point in lecture number 2. In lecture number 3, we have covered properties of angle bisectors of a triangle and problems on basic proportionality theorem. Now, in today's session, we are covering point number 5, that is ratios of a intercept made on a transversals by three parallel lines. In today's session, we are covering point number 5. In next lecture, we have covered test of similarities of a triangle and remaining point from a point number 4, that is a properties of a area of a similar triangles. We cover these 2 points in the next lecture. Today we are covering point number 5 in today's session. Now let's start our today's session. Now firstly we will see the theorem. So now let's read the statement carefully. First of all, the ratio of an intercept made on a transversal by three parallel line is equal to the ratio of a corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel line. इनका कहना है अगर मैं तीन parallel line draw करूँ, this is my three parallel lines, this one is the one transversal, अगर इस पे दूसरी भी transversal draw करूँ तो इन दोनों के बीच का जो रेशो रहेगा दैट इज x अपॉन, सपोज मान के चलो x डिस्टेंस है और ये y है, ये p है और ये q है. सो x अपॉन y इज इक्वल टू p अपॉन q. ये आपको प्रूव करना है बेस्ड ऑन द स्टेटमेंट. सो नाउ let's see the proof of the statement. Firstly, let's see what are the given in. There are three parallel lines, that is LMN is a parallel line and T1 and T2 are the transversal of this. This all the points are given. Now T1 is intersect at point A, B, C and T2 intersect at P, Q, R. So आपको एक गिवन दिया हुआ है. सो नाउ आपको प्रूफ क्या करना है, दैट इज ए बी अपॉन बी सी इक्वल टू पी क्यू अपॉन क्यू आर. ये आपको प्रूव करना है. दैट इज आवर प्रूफ. सो हाउ टू प्रूव दैट. नाउ लेट्स सी द प्रूफ. सो क्या करना है इसके लिए, सबसे पहले ड्रॉ सेगमेंट पी सी. सो हम पॉइंट सी से लेके पॉइंट पी तक एक सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करेंगे विच इज इंटरसेक्ट एट अ लाइन एम. लाइन एम को इंटरसेक्ट कहाँ करेंगे, पॉइंट डी में इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. सो नाउ इसके दो ट्रायंगल्स बनेंगे अभी. these are the two triangles. First one is this triangle and second one is this triangle. So ये दो triangles create हुए. Firstly we will apply basic proportionality theorem to triangle 1 and then we will apply to triangle 2. So let's see apply on a first triangle. So by this इन ट्रायंगल ए सी पी, ये जो आपका ए सी पी ट्रायंगल है इसमें बी डी क्या रहेगी इसकी, ये जो बी डी है ये क्या रहेगी इसकी, पैरेलल टू ए पी. सो बाय बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम वी कैन से दैट ए बी अपॉन बी सी इक्वल टू पी डी अपॉन डी सी. सो वी कैन से दैट एंड गिवन अ नंबर 1, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सो नाउ सिमिलरली टू ट्रायंगल दिस, सिमिलरली टू the triangle this one triangle 2. So after applying basic proportionality theorem we can say that PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. Give the straight equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can say that AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. सो अगर ये तीनों रेशो आपस में एक समान है तो वी कैन सी दैट ए बी अपॉन पी क्यू, ए बी अपॉन बी सी इक्वल टू पी क्यू अपॉन क्यू आर. वी कैन say that because these all three ratios are equal. Now let's see the problems on this theorem. So read the problem carefully. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. So ये trapezium दिया हुआ है, इसकी तीनों sides कैसी है, AB, PQ and DC are parallel. So we can by applying transversal theorem, that is we have already seen in the previous. So we can say that AP upon PD equal to BQ upon QC. We know the values of AP, PD and QC. Put the values. After putting values we get 15 upon 12 equal to x. BQ मैं x consider कर रहा हूँ. So QC is known as 14. So after solving we get 15 multiplied by 14 upon 12. 12 4 on the 4 3 jar. So 5 3 jar. 3 5 are 15. So after solving, so we get 14 17. So we can, after solving we get 17 upon 3. इसे और सॉल्व करूँगा मैं तो मुझे मिलेगा 4 1 are 4 3 4 are sorry 3 4 are so 17 upon 4. So we get 17.5. After solving we get BQ equal to कितना मिलेगा मुझे, that is 17 upon ये डिस्टेंस कितना मिलेगा मुझे 17 upon 5. I hope you are clear this doubt, or I hope you are clear this problem. If you have any problem you can mention in a comment section. So now let's see the next problem. So read the problem carefully. Find the QP using the given in figure. So we can say that we have already seen figure is based on the angle bisectors. किस पे angle bisectors? So by applying angle bisectors property, we can say that Mn upon Np equal to Mq upon Qp. So after solving we get 25 upon 40 equal to Mq 14 upon Qp. So Qp 5 5s are 5 8s are. So 14 multiplied by 8 we get 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 are 25, 2.8 into 8. So we get, this is the value for QP. So QP equal to 8 1s 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 24. So we get 24.5. So we get a value of a QP equal to 24. We get a value of a QP equal to 24.4. 24.4. This is our answer. So I hope you are clear the problems, how to solve the problems. Now let's see the next problem. So now this is a problem based on the three transversal of a parallel line. So by applying a transversal theorem, we can say that DF upon BD equal to CE upon AC. Put the values. After putting values we get 4 upon 8 equal to x upon 12. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 2 1s are 2 6 are. So we get x is equal to 6. So we have to calculate AE. For AE we know that AE क्या है, combination of AC plus CE. So we know the AC, AE equal to AC plus CE. So we get AE equal to 18. 12 plus 6 we get AE equal to 18. I hope आपको समझ में आ चुका है. If you have any doubt you can mention in a comment section. Your doubts will be clear very soon. Now let's see the next problem. So this problem is homework for you. So you have to solve it and mention your answer in a comment section. So I will provide you options. We get x is equal to 10, This is option number 1. Option number 2 is 12. Option number 3 is 14. And option number 4 is 15. So these are the 4 options we are already given. You have to solve and tell me your answer in a comment section. Now let's see the next problem. So firstly I will tell you, read the problem carefully. So we can say that this is a problem based on an angle bisectors. So we already know that what is the angle bisectors theorem state that is Lm upon Mn equal to Lt upon Tn. So put the values. After putting values, that is 6 by 10 equal to x by 8. So 5, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 10. So 24 divided by 5. So we get 24 divided by 5 equal to x. So x is nothing but my LT. So मैं इसे सॉल्व करूँगा तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा 5 1 जार 5 5 4 जार 20 5 4 जार 20 5 8 जार 40. So we get x equal to 4.8, that is nothing but your LT. So my LT equal to how much? So we get LT equal to 4.8 centimeter or a meter, whatever it may be, the units are present at your in a question. So I hope you are clear how to solve these problems. If you have any doubt, you can mention in a comment section. Your doubt definitely clear with as quickly as possible. So now thank you for watching Success EduTech. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again class.